Hi guys, we're starting off where we left from the last one, right here. The next slide looks like this. So here again, we've got a sample question like the kind you would have. 3 parts. 3x plus 8 is in the first part if x is less than or equal to -3. You see I've got different ink colors for the 2 fences, the -3 and the 1. So, right here, if it's -3 or -4 going down, we're going to put it into this function, 3x plus 8. If x is less than or equal to -3, so we're going to have 3 times -3 plus 8. -9 plus 8 is -1. Or 3 times whoops, that was -3. Sorry about that. I started at -3 going down. So, that would actually be the -1 going here. And then the 3 times -4 plus 8. It's going to be -12 plus 8. Or -4. So you've got 2 points for the first one. At -3 goes into both places. So you're going to have -2 times -3. That's going to give you a 6. -2 times -2. It's going to give you a +4. -2 times -1 is going to give you a +2. -2 times 0 is going to give you 0. And -2 times a +1 is going to give you a -2. The last one is actually quadratic, so it's a little bit of a curve. And it's x squared minus 3, and it starts at 1. So at 1, we're going to have that in 2 places. 1 squared minus 3 will be 1 minus 3 or -2. 2 squared minus 3 will be 4 minus 3 or 1. And the last 3 will be 3 squared minus 3 will be 9 minus 3 or 6. So, went through and found all our points. Now, we do have 2 places. So one's got to be closed and one's got to be open. So once again, you're going to look up here and see, well, this one belongs to the first. The fence belongs to the first one, so that's going to be colored in, and that's going to be open. The second one belongs to neither one here, so that's going to be open, and it'll belong to the third graph here. So, what we're going to have, once you graph your points, it's going to look like this. Alright, so you have -4, -4, right here, -3, -1, and it goes down this way forever. Then you've got -3, 6, and that was open, like we had it. Then you had -2, 4. Okay. -1, 2. 0, 0. And then 1, -2. That was an open circle. If you notice here, though, on that third one, it says 1, -2. And it's closed. So it matches up perfectly right there. So instead of it being open, that's going to fill that circle in so it's perfectly closed. Then you've got 2, 1 and 3, 6 all the way up here. And you can see it's slightly curved. I'm not going to try to draw it because I'll mess it up. But it's slightly curved like that. And that's what this piecewise function looks like. Right? So just a short little video on the second one. I do want to do one in Desmos so I can do like we did before. I was showing you how to put the domain in Desmos. so that it will come up with a graph like that. So the next video will have the Desmos on it.